Hello everyone, welcome to the Computer Galaxy. In this channel today, we're going to learn how to use the Zoom meeting app. So firstly, we can see 4 buttons here: Join, New Meeting, Schedule, and Share Screen. So now we're going to see the options given above, which are Mail, Home, Calendar, Team Chat, Meetings, Contacts, Apps, and Whiteboards. So now we'll click on Join, and now we have to enter the meeting ID shared with us, for example, MyID. And below that, you can write your name to show in the meeting. I'll type my channel name and click on Join. And now I'm in the meeting. Actually, it requires password also, but this meeting is so I joined directly. Here we can see mic and video option. I'll click video and select my avatar. Now you can see my avatar. And we can also select ready-made avatars. If I click mirror my video, then the video will be showed mirrored. I can also select backgrounds, but for that first, we need a plain background. In the mic section, we can select mics, which are connected to your device, like it's showing on my PC. If you click Leave Audio, then no one will be able to hear you and you have to join the audio again. In the Audio Settings option, you will see many settings to optimize. Now let's move to the Security tab, which contains many options like Enable Waiting Room, Lock Meeting, and much more. There is an option named Hide Profile Picture. When you click on this, your profile picture will be hidden. The Share Screen option allows you to share your screen with participants in different ways, like a whiteboard, iPad or ePhone, or your screen. In the Participants section, you can see all the members joined in this meeting. You can also pop out the Participants tab. This is the Chat tab, where you can chat with participants. You can also quote a message and delete messages. In the Participants tab, if you click Mute All, then everyone will be muted. You can also ask everyone to unmute. In the Share Screen option, there are many options to share screen, like Advanced, Files and Apps. You can record the meeting and at the end, it will be converted to MP4 video.
Recording stopped.
You can also send reactions. In the Apps tab, you can download apps and use them for meetings. You can download games also from that and play with participants. In the Whiteboards tab, you can create whiteboards and share them with participants. If you click End, then either you can leave or end the meeting for all. Now, if you click New Meeting, then the meeting will start with a random meeting ID and password. If you select your ID, then the ID and password will be the same. You can also schedule your meetings and start on time. You can start the scheduled meetings early. In the Screen Share option, you can directly screen share in the meeting by entering its ID. You can also set your status to do Not Disturb, Busy, and more. You can change the background of the clock also. You can also search for what you need. In Settings, you can change the appearance of the app also. There are many options to check out. Some options I have already shown you, like audio and video.
Into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
You can also create shortcuts for operating options in the meeting. There are 3 options in the top right corner, which are Notifications, Panel Operator, and Account. So that's it for today, hackers. Y'all are like hackers to me who can do anything. So, meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment on the tutorial you want in the next video. Bye.